How to recover the deleted messages in the Messenger. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go into your Facebook, and from here you have to log in into your account that is linked with your Messenger. From here you have to scroll down and go in the settings and the privacy, and again click on the settings. From here you have to again scroll down, and here is the option to download your information. You have to click on it. Now you have to click on the continue to visit the account center. Now from here you have the option to download or transfer the information. You have to click on it, and from here you have to select your Facebook account that is linked with your Messenger, and after that you just have to click on the next, and here is the option of the available information or the specific type of information. You have to tap on it. Now from here you just have to select the messages and click on the next, and after that you are able to download the information to your device. Now from here you just have to create the files, and that's how you can recover the deleted messages into your Messenger. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.